Da chas chlì, 2 left feet. Da chas chlì. It's not something I've ever been accused of having. I can robot dance. I can ceilidh with the best of them. And yes, I can certainly boogie. But today, I'm in Dunedin, Edinburgh, Dunedin, to try something a little bit different. Gav Graemer carriage, take a partner, Gav Graemer carriage, agus hooky na gaunsa. I'm off to try some Bhangra dancing. This downsug, dance, originates in Nahishachen, India, Nahishachen, and Pakistan. It is an important part of weddings, parties, and family celebrations. The lyrics in the Orain, songs, Orain, are often about girl, love, girl, relationships, money, and making merry. Just like most ceilidhs I've been to. Shreyas Rinavas is a member of the Edinburgh Bhangra crew.
The origins of Bhangra are that it's a folk dance, so it's done as a community. All the farmers, they all come together to celebrate harvest and dance together. So there's moves that symbolize the swaying of crops in the farms. There's moves that symbolize the actual final product of the crop, so making a roti or a chapati.
And how important is the role of the drum within the music?
So you can always hear the beats of the drum, and it's a very good kind of indicator to kind of help the Bhangra dancer also find beats to dance to.
The outfits are amazing, they're really colourful. Is that an important part of the performance?
There's a lot of significance to these costumes, and there's a lot of respect that you have to give to these costumes as well. Before we start dancing as well, we kind of give a lot of significance to the ground that we're dancing on, so you kind of touch your hand to your temple or your head and kind of respect the ground that you're dancing on.
So you're going to teach me a few moves. What are we going to do?
So today we'll be focusing mainly on a segment called the dhamal. It's extremely energetic, so we'll be teaching you some of the basic steps of Bhangra because those are steps that any beginner would learn.
Right, now time to be part of the crew. Hami Jeshal, I am ready. Hami Jeshal, I think. I've lost it. Come on, get back in the groove, Calum. That's it. Almost. Vator spores of shit. That was great fun. Vator spores of shit. I'd happily bust some of those moves again. I just need to get my own crew together now. Chukini gaunsa le crua Calum. But I need to get a singer I can add into the mix. What do you reckon, Joy?